Okay, so are we ready? So these are the people that have submitted task 5. So each of these have been graded. Like you can see task 1, task 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is like the review session. So the review session, I'm using people's designs. People that what's going on with my mouse? People that have submitted all their tasks, right? So I'm going to be reviewing them here. So I think we can get started. So I'm starting from the first person on the list, Abdul Gafar. Are you on this call? It'd be nice to know if you're here. I don't think so. But I think I'm just going to start that way. You can watch the recording. Okay, so Abdul Gafar, this was his own design. So let's review it together. So these are how I review your designs, guys. I just come here and review. Like after you guys submit it on the phone. Okay, so I wish he was here though. I think you're just going to watch the just going to watch you're just going to watch the what's it called, the video to see like the review session and how it was done. So this is Abdul Gaffar's work, and honestly I really love it. Very clean. And what we were judging in this review, or how we were grading, was number one, how it looks and what you used in your design, right? um, how you made your design come to this level. So we're actually checking each of the elements and stuff like that to make sure that you're actually following the rules, because that would actually make you a better designer. You get so yeah, Abdul Gaffar's work was very clean from the beginning. Can you see, like, very clean work, very clean. I really like how his work was clean and consistent throughout. So I don't know his texting network. Yes. I don't want. Okay, go ahead.
Evening, guys. Once again, good evening, Obi. What I wanted to say is, there are some persons that are already into UI UX. Yeah. So you get us separate from them. Those of us that are just starting, like starting.
I,
And
I
those that those without it before. Yeah.
okay. So the thing is, to me, everybody here is just starting. I don't know your current level before today, right? So I can't judge whether you have been doing design before or not. So that's the honest truth. Okay. So also, please, all comments will be taken after the review session is done, so I can be able to like finish everything. So yeah, Abdul Gaffar's work was really neat throughout, and I think it was really good. So yeah, thumbs up to Abdul Gaffar. Really clean work throughout. I really love how consistent it was throughout from beginning to the end. And I don't think it started immediately when we started, but it caught up and it was good. Okay, so let's go to the next person. Um, Ayodele Adele. So they're actually good designers here, like clean, good designers. And I'm like, these guys, they are good though. Like, you guys are really good. So this is Adele's work, Ayo's work, and yeah, she's also very good. I was also watching like her own alignment process and everything, and she was following all the rules. Like, it was so good, right? You may not get everything exactly, but one thing I'm sure of is once you're following the rules, your work is definitely going to look very aligned, and it's going to be very clean. So um, yeah, I really love our work as well. Very clean from beginning to end as well. So yeah, thumbs up to you, Ayodele. Well done. Lovely design. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep designing. Keep cooking. Um, Odubel, are you here? Because you were saying, because I'm about to review your work. I hope you're here. Okay, I think I'll just go to the next person then. Emmanuel. Let's go to Emmanuel's design. So it's loading. Okay, so this is Emmanuel's design. I think he added a stroke or something. Also, I think he did something. I don't know. Maybe here. Okay. Yeah, but his own work is also good. However, I think there's just you could just adjust this, Emmanuel. Like you can see this. Let it be aligned properly, like left aligned. You can see all this. Put it into a frame. This, and this. Yeah, that will make your work even better. But good design as well. Clean work. Like it. Very clean. Yeah, and I think we're also using frames as well. Really clean stuff. Well done. I don't know, he used our name here. He used Obi Francis, Yemi Jeff, Erica Johnson. But yeah, clean work as well. And I like what he did here too. I think he also put everything into a frame. Yeah, which is also good. These are people that actually listened as well. Because I remember always saying, let's try to use frames. Not because um, you cannot group or anything, but framing your work will make your work really good, and like you can easily duplicate stuff. So yeah, well done Emmanuel. Just put everything to a frame. 1 2 3, hold on your shift key and make it a frame. Well done. Okay, Oluwadamilola Babalola. Okay. hmm. Damilola, I think Damilola is on this call. Yeah, so you see your work. Okay, so nice design too. I think you can just adjust the spacing here. Yeah, it's too much. So this shift A, put inside a frame and reduce the spacing. Nice work as well. You can see like clean. I love this. Like I was really looking at all the elements. I'm like, okay, nice. Yeah, this is also good. Although you can reduce the spacing as well. Yeah, this 50 is kind of too much, but you can just reduce it. Yeah, but that's also good. Also, try as much as possible, like everyone, I'm talking to everyone generally. You remember we always started with a layout grid. Make sure that your layout grid is consistent throughout your design. It's always important as well, right? So yeah, well done Damilola, well done, big up. So you keep designing, proud of you guys, for real. And to all of you too that are just designing for the first time, I'm also like super happy to see that you guys are really like
I'm
progressing.
back.
I'm seeing that you guys are progressing and stuff. So um um yeah, well done. Okay, so let's move to Shalewa Olorunfemi. You know, for some reason this my mouse is just annoying me today. Don't know why. Like it's so annoying. Yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead. So this is Shalewa, right? Yeah. So yeah, Shalewa, well done too. I think yours is also good. Yeah, your work is also very aligned. Yeah, very clean. Although you didn't use frames, I know. I think you were doing more of grouping. Yeah, I think you're used to grouping, but use frames. Always use frames. I'm just going to use my trackpad. Yeah. So, well done as well. Your work is also very clean and neat. But use frames next time. Don't group. Even if you are so used to grouping, use frames. Yeah, but your work is clean, nice, and yeah, maybe in this place so you can adjust the spacing as well, like the spacing between here and here, like drag it up a bit and adjust it so it doesn't look too. You can see like the spacing the spacing here is just like too much. Yeah, so I think I'm trying to adjust that. So yeah, that's something you can also adjust. Then where else? Mm, yeah, but your design is also good as well. So well done to you, Shalewa. Well done, well done, well done. Proud of you. Anjola Olua. Yeah, Daniels. That's good to you. So let's see Daniel's work. So this is how I like calm down to actually check each and everybody's design one by one. So I think for Angela, one thing that I would say you should change here, number one, is this spacing, reduce it, and then the color of this should have been black, not this kind of gray color, right? So work on that. This is also good, and I think you also use frames, which is good. Like I was watching your work, and you also use frames, although it may not be 100% perfect right now, but like I love the idea that you still try your best to use it, and try to um, infuse it into your design. So well done. um, Clean stuff. You guys are doing well. I'm proud of all of you. So no matter what, just keep designing. Yeah, we're going to give you another task after this, and it's going to be on mobile, so you guys should get ready. I'll tell you when that's starting this week, by the way. So get ready to cook more designs. Then yeah, your work is neat, but you can adjust the spacing between all these testimonials. Yeah, I wasn't able to write feedback on like a lot of people's work because I was trying to review everything, so that's why I may not be able to have written feedback on everybody's one. But yeah, well done to you, Emmanuel. You really improved. Like I think I saw your first design, and then afterwards it was just, sorry, did I say Emmanuel? Is it Emmanuel? No, Daniel's here. You really improved. So good work. Um, Chelsea. Chelsea Wonye. I hope I didn't mispronounce your name. Forgive me for that. So after this, I'm going to be announcing the winners. Don't forget. So stay tuned, guys. Don't leave the call. Even if I reviewed your design here, don't leave the call because we are going to be announcing winners. And I'm going to be taking you guys from task one, what people that had one of the highest ratings throughout till we get to the winners. So now let's go to Paul Oluwatumishe. So let's see Paul's design. Because the network is good. So I think Paul, designed it in different what's it called, frames at first, but I think I corrected him and I said, this is a specific frame because we were using a particular frame, so that's what you should be using in your design. And then I think later on he infused it into his design. So big ups to you for taking that correction. Clean stuff. Yeah, very clean. I love it. Following instructions. I think here I don't know if it's exactly the background color we use, but still clean. So well done. And I think here, I think I mentioned it before. Okay, change name of the product. I don't know if I told you to also adjust the spacing, but you should adjust the spacing. It's too wide apart. Yeah, adjust the spacing a bit. Well done. This is who? Paul, yeah. Okay, good. Nice work, honestly. Well done. So you hit in this place. I couldn't write the comment, but I saw this. In this place, reduce the font. This is Sarah. What font is this? What size rather? It's like 27 point something. It's quite too big. You get, so reduce it to like maybe like 20. Yeah, and then this could be, I think this should be 16 or so. Let me see. What did you use? You use 13, so you can use 14. 14 is okay here. Yeah, and then use like maybe 20 here. I don't even remember what I used in my design, but you can use 20 or 18. Yeah, that's good. Okay, here too, I think you made a like mistake here, which is in terms of, if you look at this I don't know, but it just doesn't. It's not meant to look like this. You get. The first thing you should do is, I think this text is way too big. It's 29. I didn't use 29 in the design, so you should have reduced this first of all. Reduce all. And I think what did you use here? You used 29. So use something like, maybe something like 16. Yeah, I think I used 16 and then 14 here, and then here you can use 14 instead of 22. So it's too big, so you have to readjust this color. Yeah, but well done, well done, well done. Clean work, nice work. Okay, moving next. You guys can still see my screen, right? Can you guys still see my screen? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So the next person is Phoebe. I don't know if I pronounce your name correctly, but that's how I've been pronouncing it. Is it correct? Phoebe. I don't know.
It's Phoebe.
Sorry?
It's Phoebe.
Okay. So Phoebe, next. Um. Okay, so this Phoebe's work. So Phoebe, well done to you. Let me see. Okay, so well done. I think you also use frames here too as well. Okay, you use frames, but then you grouped everything instead of framing it. But yeah, clean work as well. Your work is neat and clean. Well done. I love it. Yeah, clean stuff. I think you should just adjust this spacing. This spacing is too much. Yeah, between the wireless headphone and this. The spacing between this wireless headphone frame and these two should be the same between these two. I don't know if you get what I mean. So what I'm saying is, the space between this back frame and this one is what? I don't know. Let me see. I can't see it here, but just check it. The frame between this and this should be the same space between this and this. You get, so adjust that in your work. So you may have to shift this, and then also make sure you're also aligning yourself with the layout grid as well. Very important. Okay, this is also good, but I think you can readjust your testimonial section to be like smaller. You get, instead of it to be this long, you can just reduce it. You get what I mean? So yeah, try and do that. Just readjust this, and then here I think the footer is like too large. You get. Okay, so another thing is, I also noticed that you didn't use the exact width. The width you're meant to use is 1440, not 1768. Right, if you want to know the exact width to use, just click on F on your keyboard, right, and then it just takes you to you see like all those things coming up from the right side of your panel on Figma, and then click on desktop, and that's it. Right, the exact width to use is 1440. And the reason why I'm saying this is, when you start designing, you are not going to be using like different kind of what's it called, width sizes or frame sizes when you're designing, because developers are going to have issues with that. Do you get? So you have to use the exact, what's it called, the exact frame sizes, which is 1440. So please take note and try and readjust your design and stuff. Then here, but well done to you. Then here, I was saying that it's kind of too wide. It shouldn't be too wide, right? So the first thing you should do is the height, right? The height, that's from top to bottom, is too wide, so reduce it. You get, that's one. Number two is this text. I think is currently, what's the size, 30. Like I said, it's too big. Let it be like 14, 14, 14, 14, like that, and then here can be like 16. You get, so reduce that as well. Then your design will come together. Then this as well shouldn't be too big, or like this text. I don't know what size did you use? 28. It shouldn't be too big because it's something that people just see beneath, so it could be like 14 to, or I don't even know if I use 12, but at least within that range it shouldn't be this big. So adjust the height, then adjust the spacing and all that. Well done to you, and big ups, Phoebe, right? Yeah, Phoebe. So moving on, let me move to Marianne. Let's go. So Marianne is Zoana, right? Yeah, Zoana. Okay, nice work. Let's see. Okay, so I think you can adjust the spacing between like this button and this text. You can move this button up. Do you get, so that the spacing doesn't look too big or too wide, right? What else? I think here was good because I remember checking your work as well. Yeah, use frames and it was clean. So big ups to you. Well done. Shop collection. I think you also did well here. Yeah, you use frames. I noticed that, and I think you really followed the video because it was really evident. Because you putting this into a frame and then putting, yeah, makes sense. Really liked it. This as well, good stuff. Phoebe, right? This is what I was trying to say. Like just the height. Your work is good and clean. Just like reduce the height to something like this. Okay, so it's not be too wide. But yeah, well done to you too. Okay, so Zoana, I think another thing you should do is in terms of this footer. If you remember, we have a layout grid, and if you use your layout grid, you realize that this is starting from here. It's meant to start from maybe like here. If you look at it, let's zoom up. Look at where this one is starting from, right? Now let's go down like that. Can you see it? So it should start from here. Can you see it? So use the same layout grid that you have been using in all your frames so that it guides you. Always use layout grid first before you start designing, so that you know exactly, okay, where am I starting from, so I don't just design in the middle. Do you get? So that's just it. But nice work. And then what you can just do is I think you already made all this. So what you do is in your design, there's going to be a spacing between this one and this one. What you just need to do is expand this spacing, like the spacing here. You see it when you are in your own Figma file, and then you can drag it like that. Like, oh, when you expand it, it automatically drags itself. Yeah. For those having issues, please, I think you may have to. Yeah, we have. I think I've reviewed your work, Tommy. Yeah, but you may just have to watch the video again. But yeah, we have reviewed your work and you were good. So yeah, you may just have to watch the video again. Yeah. Okay. So Zoana, please just make that correction. But overall, good design. Proud of you. I'm really proud of you guys. Like for real, honestly. Well done. Yeah. Let's go. Miss Ella. Let's see. Miss Ella, I think. Okay, this were all your tasks, and then I think you should put them here. Let's see. Okay, width 1440. Good. See that you added Jara, Miss Ella. View more, but clean work all the same. Let's see. Yeah, this was good. Oh, I just love it when I see work like this. Like, it just makes me really happy. Okay, what else? Here too was good. I think you used the same spacing as well. Like, good stuff. Well done. Here too was good. But I think maybe you can move. It was good though. Maybe you can just move this one a bit down. Yeah, I think it looks too close to each other, sure. So maybe you can increase the spacing just a bit, but it doesn't look too close. Yeah. Yeah, good work. I love your stuff, and I think you also your work was very aligned. Yeah, let me try and see. Let's see. Aligned, like that. Yeah. So clean work, Miss Ella. Nice work from you. Let's go to Shalewa. Shalewa. Wait, have I seen JJ's work?
You've seen mine already.
What's your name? Like here?
Charlie was speaking, by the way. I mean, you've already reviewed mine.
Oh no, no, I said not. I said JJ. I don't know. For some reason, I can't see JJ's on here. JJ, did you submit? Why am I not seeing your on here? I guess I'll just check again. Sha.
Right. No, I wasn't able to meet up with the last one. I was so
Oh.
busy, so I didn't meet up. So I haven't done that one yet. I
Okay.
missed the deadline for it. That's why.
Okay. Chisholm, wanted to say something? Okay, I think that's a mistake. Okay.
Yeah, you haven't reviewed mine.
Did you submit task 5?
Yeah, I did. My name is on the phone.
Chelsea, is it Chelsea
I
speaking?
think I still. Yes,
Yeah, I've reviewed your work already. I don't. Maybe we're not here.
Okay, maybe I missed it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go to. I'm going to review everyone's work. I've seen your work, Kwali. Okay, so Shalewa. Okay. Were you saying I haven't reviewed or I have reviewed Shalewa?
You have reviewed. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
I think that's right.
Okay, so Glory Adefemi. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, so this is Glory's work. Nice. I think you did something to the picture. I don't know, but I think so. Use frames, clean work. Okay, I like it. Let me see the use frames here. Good, clean stuff. Clean stuff. I don't know what's going on here. This text is very hard to read. Yeah. Maybe you should make this like regular or something. I don't know. I think the style is thin, so it's too hard to read. Glory. Yeah, all these two they are kind of very hard to read. It's going to be very hard for the eyes. Yeah, so very important. And then this text, this will make online shopping easy. Thousands of happy shop. Like the subtext, right? Don't make it bold. You should make it like this. Can you see how this one is? Which is I think you use regular or something or medium. Yeah, you can do that. Make it medium or regular instead of making it bold. This should be bold. Then this should not be bold. Do you get? Yeah. So, but well done to you, Glory. Well done to you. Big ups to you. Let's go to Wale Olawale Odubela. Okay. Okay, so nice work. I think I move this like the whole thing up so there will not be any space in here. Yeah, move everything up. Then what else? Mm, okay, thank you. So use spacing. Maybe we can just okay, it's okay, Sha. Because if you start to affect this, to affect everything. Okay, let's see. Medium. Okay, you also use frames, good work. Clean stuff. I think you also use frames here. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so here I think you can this corner radius is too much. So like the border, what did you use? I don't know if I can see it. Okay, so what I'll just say is don't let it be too curved. Yeah, like maybe you can reduce it a bit, all the corner radius, so don't curve it too much. You get. But yeah, I think yours too is also clean, and I think you also followed layout as well, which is good. So yeah, I was checking people's layouts. What's it called? Yeah, clean. So this is good actually, really really nice. I love this. So yeah, I think we have come to the end of the review session. So a lot of people submitted. Yes, I have Abdul Gafar. You were the first person to. You are the first person here. I reviewed your work. You may just have to watch the video. But anyways, so a lot of people submitted task one, task two, task three, task four, task five. But these are the only people that submitted task five as at the time I was reviewing. So I don't know if any other person has submitted or anything, but before this call started, I know these are all the people that submitted task five, and so that's why we are reviewing their design. I wouldn't want to review someone's design that is not completed. You get. So yeah, Zoana, I want to say something. So after this, we'll go to winners, but we're going to now go from task one and then finally to our designers for the week. Okay, so Zoana, go ahead.
Yeah, you missed somebody. The person on number 4.
No, yeah, I've done it. I just did that. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so what's the time? This is, I think, how many more minutes on this call? 14. Okay, so I think we can use that. So 14 minutes. Let me check this is still being recorded. Okay, 14 minutes. So let's see. So let's start from task one. Let's go. Task one, we had about how many people submitting? We had 21. So it starts from here. So it's 21, not 22. Sure. So we had 21 people who submitted task one, and these are people that were able to get 10 over 10, like in their task one, based on like layout, and some little mistakes that you may have made, but then there were corrections as well. But overall, this was good. Um, you can say I think everyone really did well. Yeah, I don't know how many people got 10, but like maybe a couple of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think 12, which is good. Did I count correctly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so 12 people had 10 over 10. So big ups to you guys for doing solid work in task one. Then moving to task two, yeah, I think there were some mistakes some people made where we had to put feedback I and Jeff, and for people to make their corrections and stuff like that. And I was able to have a 10, Chelsea 2, Emmanuel. So people, I think some people submitted like multiple times, right? But truth is, we only graded the first one because we can't keep grading the same thing over and over again, right? We just grade, put our feedback, and then you can work on it, right? Emmanuel also, Glory, Jeje, Marianne, Misela, Olawale, Babalola, Olorunfemi, Phoebe, Paul. You guys did well, so big ups to you. So in task two, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 again. Okay, so 12 people again had 10 in task 2. So big ups to all of you. Task 3, see how 10 just full my list. Like I think task 3 was very good. A lot of people really did well. It's just a few people that had 9, which is good work, right? You guys really did well. I was like, can't I even just give somebody like I was looking for how like the mistakes, but they were so hard to find. So you guys really did well. Big ups to all of you. How many people here? I think out of 16, just 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 minus 4 is what? 12 again. Yeah. So another 12 people again had okay, 15 minus 4 rather, that's 11, because this first one starts from 1. So yeah, that's 11 people. Good work, solid work. Task 4, task 4, how many people? I think task four, I think some people made some mistakes and stuff like that, but overall it was good. It wasn't a bad one at all. I think one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine people had 10/10 in their task four. And then task five, which we just submitted. So task five was grading everything, like the footer and the whole design, right? Because I didn't want to just grade only the footer. I wanted to grade the whole design at once so that I'll have like a comprehensive list of the whole design. So you can see a lot of people really did well. Like, you guys should clap for yourself. I'm meant to be seen clapping emojis. Like, you guys really did well. Like, big ups to all of you, right? And of course, people. Uh, Honestly, please keep clapping because to me, I'm proud, right? The truth is, I think about a week ago, yeah, I'm coming, Emmanuel. About a week ago, please don't stop clapping. Keep like, or use all the emojis. About a week ago, a lot of people did not know exactly how to start, what to start with, what UI UX design was, and I am so 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 happy that like within 5 days you're able to understand like basics and also design. That makes me super happy. So yeah, I'm proud of all of you, and we are going to the winners. So let me see some emojis first. Some emojis. Okay, so so our winners are, boom, we have a list of 11 winners. These are our designers for the week. Yeah, these are people that submitted each task, and they also had clean work. And I think there's somebody that I'm also going to recognize, who is Daniels. Now, Daniels did not really start on like the best of notes, but he, like, what was he improved, right? And he started like implementing his work, implementing changes using frames, and I was like, wow, solid stuff. So big ups to 11 of you, right? So this is what we are going to do. For these 11 people, you guys are going to send us your picture and your Instagram handle, right? We are going to be celebrating all of you, 11 of you, and it's not even going to be a small thing; it's a big thing. So what we are going to do is we are going to tag each of you on we're going to tag each of you on, what's it called, on the Instagram post, and so that you guys can also reshare and stuff like that. But yeah, send us your picture and your names. No, not your names, your picture and your handle. Yes, each of you, 11 of you. So we're going to be celebrating you on Instagram, and yeah. So now, 5 more minutes to the end of this meeting. I am super proud of each of you. And also, there's also something we are going to do, which is we are also going to post your design, right, on the page. So it's going to be designer for the week and what they designed. Do you get? So people can also see that this is what you people design, not just having designer for the week. There should also be like a proof to say this is what they designed, right? So that other people too will know that these people sabi. You understand? So um, you're also going to send us your design, and I think I don't know how to do it, but let me give you a guide. So if you were to I don't know if this is going to show. Let me see. Figma. Let me use. I don't want to show some things here. Okay, so if you were to design if you were to send us the design, what you have to do is you have to export it, right? I want each of you to export your designs and then send it to me, right? Or Jeff, what do you suggest? What do you think should be the best way? Because I want us also, um, what's it called? Post their work. Do you have any suggestions on how best we can do it?
Yeah, I think can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Good evening, guys. Sorry I came late. Apologies. I had to attend to my hands. Okay, so I think we should export and send. That would be better.
Okay.
So if you export, you send that as a file. It
Okay. So
it
for
will be easier for so you can policy consider.
okay, okay, nice stuff. I hope I didn't cut you short too. Sorry. Okay.
No,
So
no, no.
okay. So if you were to export, guys, what you do is you click on this. Can you see this? Which is it's showing that everything is inside your design. So you click on the frame that has all your designs like this, and then go to the right side of your Figma panel, and then you say export. So maybe you put it like maybe like five or I don't know, maybe like five. I always use five, so that the quality will also be good, and then you export. So it's going to save, and I think you should save it as PNG, right? Yeah, save it as a PNG. It's going to be like the quality would retain itself. So yeah, maybe you can use five or maybe seven, so that the quality will be good, and then export it and send Jiget. I'll put. How do you? Okay, just send it to me. Yeah, or maybe I'll create a link or something where you can post it on. Yeah, so I mean 11 of you just send your stuff, export it and send to us, and then yeah, we'll be posting you guys. And don't forget to send your pictures as well. Abdul Gafar, Ayodele, Olawale, Emmanuel, Shalewa, Daniels, Chelsea, Marianne, Miss Ella, Shalewa, Glory, Adefemi. Please send your pictures and your Instagram handle and your design, and we'll take it from there. So yeah, cheers, guys. Then what is next? What's coming next? Are we done? We're not done. Checkmate is just getting started. You get me? So what we are doing next is mobile design, and we are going to start that on Tuesday. And we are going to break it down as to what we are going to do. But just know that on Tuesday we are going to have like a call where we are going to be teaching you how to design on mobile and what to do. So I hope with that we have come to the end of this review session and winner announcement session. And Shaliwa's name was repeated. Oh, I didn't notice that, but thanks. So that means 10 people then. But yeah, thanks guys. I don't want to be cut short. See you guys in the next one.